Buried beneath the scorched earth of Tanzania's wild savanna lies a creature few dare to pursue. The porcupine, armored in thousands of needle-sharp quills, hidden in labyrinthine burrows up to 8 feet deep. Armed with only handmade bows, poison arrows, and instincts honed over 50,000 years, the HadzabeTribe steps into this ancient duel. One wrong move, and the spines win. But these are the last true hunter-gatherers on Earth. Will their unbreakable bond with the bush prevail today? This is no ordinary hunt. This is survival in its purest, most unforgiving form. Join me as we descend into the heart of Hadzabe life. Far from the relentless noise of cities, the endless scroll of notifications, and the artificial glow of screens, the Hadzabe people move to a completely different rhythm. The slow turning of the sun across the sky, the whisper of wind through dry grass, the distant call of birds at first light. Around the shimmering shores of Lake Eyasi in northern Tanzania, they continue to live precisely as their ancestors did for tens of thousands of years. Dawn arrives abruptly over the plains, harsh and unyielding. The hunters rise quietly, without ceremony or haste. They inspect their bows, slender, lightweight frames crafted from local wood, strung taut with animal sinew, each arrow carefully fletched with bird feathers and tipped with a potent poison extracted and distilled from the desert rose plant. Communication is minimal. Words are often unnecessary when eyes and gestures convey everything needed. Today, the focus is Porcupine, a nocturnal, burrowing forager whose deep shelters offer protection from the heat and predators, and whose meat delivers rare, calorie-dense protein during the long, dry season when other game becomes elusive and thin. The small group moves across the savanna with practiced lightness, feet making almost no sound on the brittle grass. They encircle the burrow in absolute silence, ears attuned to the faintest sounds from below. A soft rustle, a shift of weight, the occupant is indeed inside. Digging commences without pause. Bare hands scoop away earth. Sharpened sticks pry at roots and compacted layers. The soil, hardened by relentless sun and months without rain, resists stubbornly, yet their movements remain rhythmic and efficient. With reverence, hands reach into the earth. The formidable quills, capable of inflicting deep, painful wounds, are removed methodically, pulled free or sliced away to expose the lean, muscular meat below. Nothing is discarded carelessly. Even the quills hold potential future use as tools, awls, or adornments. The hunters hoist their prize and carry it back to the shaded camp beneath a sprawling acacia tree, where the wider group awaits. Preparation follows without delay. A compact fire is kindled from dry tinder and animal dung, controlled and low smoke to avoid drawing unwanted attention from lions or hyenas. The porcupine is carefully singed over the flames to eliminate lingering quills and hair, then gutted with expert strokes. Organs are sorted, nutrient-rich parts consumed raw on the spot, others reserved for the fire. The meat is portioned, skewered on fresh green sticks or placed straight onto glowing coals. There are no spices, no vessels, only the raw, elemental taste of smoke-infused wild game. As the meat sizzles and browns, the enticing aroma pulls everyone nearer. Soft stories unfold in the distinctive clicking language of the Hadzabe, punctuated by gentle laughter and the steady crackle of the fire. Portions are distributed first to elders and children, a silent ritual of respect, community, and shared gratitude. This simple meal transcends mere nutrition. It becomes renewal, a reaffirmation of trust in the land, a binding thread between past and present.
Ako mana ako magsipiti kolo ako a kukunjubi semi bita uni ako mana ako mabat sipiti ama ko pati ka na.
As the sun sinks, painting long golden shadows across the savanna, the group rests in quiet contentment. Tomorrow holds new possibilities, honey harvested with the guidance of the honey-guide bird, roots unearthed by the women, or perhaps another burrow calling at dawn. The Hadzabe do not seek to dominate nature. They move within it, flowing with its rhythms as seamlessly as they have since humanity's earliest days. This ancient lifeway persists as a fragile, precious thread in an accelerating world. Should it one day unravel, we stand to lose far more than a single tribe. We lose a living mirror showing who we once were and who we might still become, deeply attuned, quietly resilient, profoundly connected. If this raw, intimate glimpse into Hadzabe survival, the skill, the patience, the quiet wisdom, the unbreakable bond with the wild moved you, hit that subscribe button right now for more untold stories from Earth's last hunter-gatherers. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next journey into the bush. And drop a comment below. What surprises you most about the Hadzabe way of life? Could you imagine surviving even one day in their world? Share your honest thoughts. Your engagement keeps these powerful stories reaching more people. Thanks for watching. See you on the next hunt.